Hi, Slipcore here. Welcome to my coding update series, April 2017. First I fixed a bug in the chest filler module that was caused by not instantiating the random properly. So when min and max were the same, there was no way of getting a proper random number. Up next, a null pointer exception in the player finder module. So I had to look this up and I found that this was caused by the fact that Spigot changed how offhand interaction events are called. So it can be null. The hand can be null. I had to check for that. Up next, another null pointer exception with spawn eggs. Somehow, if you have a spawn egg that doesn't have a proper spawn type, it can return a null pointer section. I caught that. Then I had to debug the temperms module, which gives temporary permissions for people joining the arena. In this case, I figured out that it was about spectators. So spectators were not initialized properly all the time. I debugged this and later fixed this bug by properly instantiating and resetting players that spectated. Another day I added a feature to my plugin pvpstats. Someone requested that I add an option for connections. They wanted to have a certain option and I already am using an option. So I had to override my initial configuration to allow them to override it with something else. I did add the option and it seems to have worked. Then I moved on to sponge development. Specifically, I fixed a bug in my bowsplus, which was causing issues when you were trying to shoot projectiles. In this sense, Sponge cannot simply instantiate items that are projectiles, you have to launch them as a player. So I did that. Up next was my tree assist plugin, also for Sponge. I had to update it because the last version was for the 5.0.0 API. I updated it to 6.0.0 and I'm still working on it because it doesn't work properly yet because of, issues with the log type not working properly. We'll see. Finally, I got back to mobarena and fixed a ScoreBoard issue. When people have a ScoreBoard that is not the main ScoreBoard, mobarena simply removes this and gives them the main ScoreBoard when they exit. However, some servers have customized ScoreBoards per player, so I added a way of saving the personalized ScoreBoard that players might have and gave people the ScoreBoard back when they exited. Alright, that's the coding in April. Apart from this, I released 2 tutorials. First, a region shape tutorial. That means I explained what kind of regions there are in PvP Arena, and a region protection tutorial. That means I explained what kind of protections there are, how to set them, and what they actually protect against. Up next, I will be finishing the goal tutorial. I already have everything recorded, I just have to edit it. But as there are like 15 goals, I think, this can take a bit of time because, I'm doing this next to my day job. Right. Have any questions? Post them below. I will do my best to answer them. I will update my hub page with FAQs over time. Have a nice week, a nice month. Talk to you guys later.